What's up guys, it's your boy Mike, Hulk Crypto Mining. In today's video, we're gonna replace a motherboard on an X8 Ultra Plus Octominer. I did have one go bad, but my boy Chili from Octominer sent me a brand new one, no problems. Guys, that's why I love their company. Their customer service is awesome. Understand, none of this is financial advice. Let's roll the intro.
Octominer knows that right now the crypto market is down a lot, so they are throwing another sale because why not? They manufacture the best mining rigs in the industry and supply rigs to some of the largest GPU mining farms around the world. On average, they manufacture 2,000 to 4,000 rigs per month, and currently around 2% of the total Ethereum net hash rate is running in Octominer rigs. They are also an official AMD blockchain partner. Starting July 25th and going through July 29th, use the code OCTO10-072922 on checkout to get 10% off your entire order on their website. Please reach out to them at support@octominer.com for any questions.
Alright guys, so this is the brand new motherboard that I got from Octominer. It looks like we're gonna have to swap some components from the old motherboard, so let's see what we have to switch. Okay guys, so it looks like we're gonna have to swap out the fan, the processor, and the memory. I think that's all for right now. We just unplug everything and put this in there, so let's go ahead and do that. Just a side note here and a reminder, please be very, very careful removing these wires. Do not pull on the wires themselves. Please pull on the bracket or brace or whatever you wanna call it. Pull off of the board and make sure you guys are very, very careful doing that, okay? You don't wanna rip these wires out of here. It will render this useless unless you know how to fix this, which I'm assuming most of us do not. So please guys, be very careful. It looks like there are some screws back here that are holding in the motherboard, so make sure you remove these before you start trying to pull it out. So we got the motherboard off. The really cool thing I like about these motherboards, guys, is that they kind of seat in like a graphics card. They use the PCIe slot, so it's very, very easy to pull them out. Just make sure everything is disconnected. So one thing I did just learn the hard way was this little L bracket here. You need to make sure you put this on a new board, otherwise you will not be able to secure it in. So now that we got the new motherboard installed, it looks pretty good. I think so, no problems there. Let's get the crash card in here, plug it up and see if it works. All right guys, so it looks like everything's working pretty good. We got everything set up. The motherboard's running great. Fans are running great. Now we are just testing it here. This is obviously not its permanent place. This is just a test plug. Just make sure we can turn it on. And it does look like hiveOS is booted up. So awesome. It's mint. It's chump change mint. Super excited, guys. That's how you guys do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And we can definitely help you out if you need it. So, all right, guys. Well, this is Hulk Crypto Mining. I am signing off. Hope you guys liked the video. And stay tuned for more.